And we have been telling you for days about this increase in COVID-19 cases statewide, breaking records compared to spring.
And while testing has also increased, experts say that is not the reason behind this big increase. Lauren KUMMER talked with health officials about where the disease is spreading and why those precautions we've been talking about months are more important than ever. Lauren?
Derek and Annie, as cases of COVID-19 increase, health officials are saying contact tracing is showing cases aren't necessarily developing at work or school, but rather at social gatherings, and doing things like wearing a mask or social distancing are in fact helping.
We are at the highest level that we have ever been at. We're probably at least twice the number of levels that we encountered in April and May of earlier this year.
In the past 2 weeks, Kalamazoo County's health officer says they've seen an increase in cases of COVID-19, easily recording an average of 50 to 60 positive cases a day. And they're not the only ones. Calhoun County saw a surge a couple of weeks ago, but now they're saying the numbers are unprecedented.
In fact, it is increasing. So there is more virus circulating in our community right now, and we are having widespread, uncontrolled community transmission of COVID-19.
Whether symptomatic or asymptomatic, they say most cases aren't being contracted at school or work or places where protocols are in place. Instead, they're happening in social settings. And health officials say while they're testing more people, the additional testing doesn't account for other factors.
The percent positivity, that data point is telling. That's the number of positives out of the total number that we are testing. So if there was less virus circulating in our community, well, then the percent positivity rate would be low too, but it is not.
And despite what some people may be saying, Health Officer Jim Rutherford says masks are helping prevent the spread.
In those environments where those public health practices are in use, in hospitals, and you're seeing a lot less disease transmission. So yeah, they're working, and we need to continue to employ them.
They're the same rules we've been following, but now it's even more crucial as the numbers get worse.
So I want our community to hear that message, that the trajectory that we are on does require changes in our behavior. We really have to wear our masks, physically distance more than 6 feet, avoid those social gatherings.
Kalamazoo County Public Health Department says data is showing they're seeing more cases in those under the age of 40, but those in the older population and with pre-existing conditions are still at the highest risk. Reporting in Kalamazoo, Lauren KUMMER, Fox 17 News.
All right, Lauren, thank you.